My name is Ivan Del Carmen, and I was born with one hand, 1.5 arm. Well, I am the second oldest out of 3 kids. Every day when I go home, I start exercising for boxing because that's my favorite sport. I play basketball. I could juke just a little, but I'm not good. I used to like playing soccer a lot, but then I didn't really like it no more because I was too good. I've noticed that my peers have treated me the same as other kids, but there's only been a few that treated me a little different because they thought I couldn't do the things they could do. But I proved them wrong.
The first week of school, Ivan shows up in my class, and I didn't immediately notice that he had a physical, difference compared to my normal students. And so I sat there, and all of a sudden I started demonstrating how to use the different saws and different tools, and all of a sudden it dawned on me that he was missing part of his arm. It took him a couple minutes, and next thing I know, I see him using the miter saw, which kind of scared me at first because I'm like, how's he operating this? And he had wedged his arm up in there in between the trigger part of the saw and was actually just making the motion to cut the saw, and he was cutting clean. It was safe. I mean, it was just not what you would typically expect to see in a normal situation with a student with both hands and both arms. In this class, I've got people with learning disabilities, I've got people with obviously physical disabilities, and they're all able to do this type of work. And that's what's real, exciting for me as a teacher of this type of program, is to see that there aren't limitations. It's their mental limitations is pretty much the only barriers that they have.
I want to be a pro boxer. I want to work on cars, or probably do construction, like making houses, doing the flooring. Those are the only 3 right now. If there's one thing I would want, would be for people not to judge a book by its cover, because you never know what they could do.